In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust text size in DaVinci Resolve using the Inspector tool. Whether you're a seasoned video editor or just starting out, knowing how to manipulate text size can add a professional touch to your projects. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to have DaVinci Resolve open on your computer. It's a powerful tool for video editing that offers a range of features. And today we'll focus on one of the basics, which is adjusting text size. Once you have your project ready to go, make your way to the section where you've inserted your text. Now this is where the fun begins. Next, click on the text that you want to resize. You'll notice that when you select your text, a panel pops up on the right-hand side of the screen. This panel is called the Inspector. It's essentially a control center where you can manage different aspects of your selected elements. Now let's give the Inspector our full attention. Within this panel, look for the option labeled Size. This is your gateway to resizing your text easily and efficiently. You'll see a slider or handlebar next to this option. This intuitive tool allows you to adjust the size of your text with just a simple drag. Here's a friendly tip. As you drag the handlebar, keep an eye on your text in the viewer. You'll see it dynamically resize, giving you a real-time preview of what your adjustments look like. This feature is particularly useful if you're trying to fit your text within specific boundaries or want to maintain a certain aesthetic across your video. Take your time to experiment with the size until you're happy with how it looks. Finding the perfect size might require a few tries, especially when balancing between readability and design. So don't be afraid to make small adjustments until you're satisfied with the result. Once you're pleased with the text size, you can close the Inspector and voila! You have successfully resized your text in DaVinci Resolve. Congratulations on learning how to adjust text size in DaVinci Resolve. Although it seems like a small change, adjusting text size can have a significant impact on the overall presentation and readability of your project. By mastering this simple but effective tool, you're already on your way to making more visually engaging content. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and it empowers you to explore more possibilities within DaVinci Resolve. Remember, the best way to learn is by practicing, so don't hesitate to experiment with different text sizes and styles to see what fits your project best. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy editing, and I'll see you in the next video.